Hi friends, how are you doing? This is day 3 of everything being shut down. I feel like I'm already losing my mind. I miss my friends! Yeah, Harold, I know you're here, but it's just not the same. Things are starting to get really weird already, so that's why I'm here, is to show you how to make a paper crane today. Sometimes you just need your hands to be busy when you don't really know what to make or what to do. Here it's like you break a wishbone, you blow on a dandelion and your wish comes true like that. In Japan, we have to make 1,000 paper cranes to get one wish, just one, that's it. I'm trying to think of how else you get wishes. I like using wrapping paper or receipt paper, anything really. Grab a piece of paper, make sure it's square, and let's make this. We're gonna start off with our square piece of paper and we're going to make it into a triangle. Take one end, any end, and bring it to the other end. Now your longest corners of your triangle, bring them together. Excellent. In origami, you just want to have some clean, straight lines. So any sort of fold, you just want to work out any of those little wrinkles. Now we have a triangle again. We're going to open this up. So if you look at it, there's 2 little pockets like this. And you're gonna take one pocket, puff it out, bring this corner to this corner. Clean up those lines. Now you have a square plus a triangle. Flip it. Again, this little pocket from your triangle. Open that up. This corner to this corner. Now things are gonna get funky. You're gonna open up this square and you're gonna bring it out a little bit. We're gonna take this corner and bring it in here and follow those straight lines. Line this up. We're gonna do it to this side as well. So again, bring this to here and straighten out. One side's done, clean up this end. Now it looks like a squid or something. Little squiddy legs over here. Do the same to this side. Bring those ends in. Work on this side. Clean up this top. So now you have 2 little legs on one side and nothing on the other. Take this edge and fold it in. Work on the other side. Then you're gonna flip it. Do the same. Now we're going to bring these together. Flip it. Bring the sides together. Now you've got these legs, which are actually going to be the wings. Part is going to be a body. So bring that up as far as you can. Flip it. Bring that up as far as you can. And then this we're going to be bringing together. Do down the same for the other side. Bring that together. Now, see the wings? Bend one side so that this can be the head. Are you seeing it now? Side can come out a little bit. Just want the tail to stick out. Like that. You open it up. Sometimes this part gets a little stuck. There's a little hole right here and you can blow it up like a balloon. I mean, I don't want to get lipstick all over it, but no. Ta-da! There you go. You got a paper crane.